Did you know that exercising can help fight depression? Yes, exercise has been shown to have positive effects on mental health, including its potential to help fight depression. Aside from toning your muscles, strengthening your body, or helping you get your desired shape, regular exercise can help you regain confidence and boost your mental health. It will gradually give you a sense of being in control of your health, thereby fighting your low self-esteem and depression. Moreover, physical activities can stimulate the release of neurotransmitters like endorphins, which are known to improve mood and reduce feelings of stress. While exercising the body has a lot of benefits for overall well-being, this video will focus more on pull-ups and their benefits. In this video, I will show you 10 things that will happen to your body if you do pull-ups every day for a month. Any side effects? Well, watch this video till the end to find out. With that said, let's dive right in. Number 1. Mental resilience. Doing pull-ups every day for a month makes your body and mind stronger. Consistently doing pull-ups daily is not an easy task and can require commitment and mental strength, especially on days when pull-ups feel tough. By sticking to a daily pull-up routine, you build perseverance and determination. This not only helps in fitness, but also influences other parts of your life where staying strong and disciplined is important. So, as you pull yourself up physically, you're also lifting your mental strength, making your whole self stronger. Number 2. Improved upper body strength. Doing pull-ups every day for a month can enhance your upper body strength and strengthen your muscles. Pull-ups primarily target muscles in your arms, shoulders, and upper back. As you consistently engage in this exercise, your muscles adapt by becoming stronger and more toned. The main muscles involved are the latissimus dorsi, also called lats, which are the large muscles in your back, and the muscle in your biceps. As you lift and lower your body during a pull-up, the task of lifting your body weight against gravity becomes challenging for these muscles. This will lead to minor damages and subsequent repair, which will contribute to muscle growth. In simpler terms, pull-ups work out the muscles in your upper body, making them stronger and more defined over time. This not only improves your ability to perform pull-ups, but also enhances the overall appearance and strength of your upper body. Number 3. Enhanced grip strength. Engaging in daily pull-ups for a month will enhance your grip strength. Grip strength is the ability of your hands and fingers to hold on to and control objects more firmly. During pull-ups, you rely on your grip to support your body weight and lift yourself. As you perform this exercise regularly, the muscles in your hands and forearms get familiar with the effort, leading to increased grip strength. So, doing pull-ups consistently not only strengthens your upper body, but also gives your hand a boost, making everyday tasks easier. Number 4. Reduction in body fat. Weight loss depends on a lot of factors such as body metabolism, diet, and age. Engaging in daily pull-ups for a month, combined with a healthy diet and exercise routine, may contribute to weight loss. Pull-ups require a significant amount of energy, so as you perform pull-ups regularly, your body utilizes stored fat as a source of fuel to support the increased physical activity. Understanding your body type and metabolism will help you determine the right type of exercise. If yours supports pull-ups, get ready to get in shape as you lose weight. Number 5. Increased muscle activation. Regularly doing pull-ups every day for a month can lead to increased activation of muscles in your shoulders and upper back. Pull-ups primarily target the latissimus dorsi and the deltoids, and as you pull your body up during the exercise, these muscles contract to lift and stabilize your body. If you do this daily, the continuous contracting and relaxing of your muscles will stimulate the targeted muscle groups, promoting muscle activation and development. This can result in a more defined and toned appearance in your shoulders and upper back, contributing to an improved overall upper body strength. Number 6. Improved body posture. A lot of people hit the gym just to get the perfect body posture they desire. You'd often find people who want to achieve this fitness goal opting in for daily pull-ups. This is because regular pull-ups can contribute to an improved posture. The latissimus dorsi and the upper back muscles play a crucial role in supporting your spine and promoting good posture. As you strengthen these muscles through consistent pull-up exercises, you enhance your ability to maintain an upright and aligned posture. Therefore, a daily pull-up routine may contribute to the development of a more straight and healthier posture over time. Number 7. Pull-ups will tighten your core. Engaging in daily pull-ups for a month can help tighten your core. While pull-ups primarily target the upper body, the act of lifting your body involves the activation of your core muscles to provide stability and control during the movement. Your core, which includes muscles in the abdomen and lower back, plays a supportive role in maintaining proper form during pull-ups. This can result in improved core strength and stability, contributing to better overall fitness and supporting your performance in various activities beyond just pull-ups. Number 8. Improved cardiovascular fitness. Engaging in daily pull-ups for a month can contribute to improved cardiovascular fitness. While pull-ups rely more on your upper body, they also involve a significant amount of effort from your cardiovascular system. Performing this exercise raises your heart rate, increasing blood flow and oxygen delivery to working muscles. When you do this every day, pull-ups can contribute to cardiovascular endurance over time. Therefore, adding pull-ups into your daily routine can positively impact both upper body strength and cardiovascular health. Number 9. Increased metabolism. Doing pull-ups every day for a month can make your metabolism work better. This is because muscle tissues need more energy to stay strong than fat tissue does. This makes your body burn more calories even when you're not exercising. That way, you can manage your weight and stay in shape. However, while pull-ups will go a long way in helping you achieve this fitness goal, it is important to eat well and do other kinds of exercises for a better result. Number 10. Improved body endurance. Doing pull-ups every day for a month can help to boost your overall endurance. Pull-ups work your upper body, engage your core, and challenge your cardiovascular system, all of which make you better at enduring physical effort. This improvement can show up in how well you perform in other activities and daily tasks. In other words, pull-ups provide a full body workout that strengthens your muscles, makes your entire body strong, and is capable of sustaining effort over time. Before we end this video, we want to look into some side effects of doing pull-ups daily for a month. Engaging in daily pull-ups for a month may lead to potential joint discomfort if you do not maintain the proper form. Pull-ups involve various joints, including the shoulders, elbows, and wrists. While this exercise is effective for building strength, improper technique or excessive strain can place stress on your joints, leading to joint discomfort. It is important to learn the right forms of pull-ups to minimize the risk of joint injury. If you experience any persistent discomfort, it is advisable to consult with a fitness coach to ensure that your exercise routine aligns with your fitness level and needs. Proper warm-up, stretching, and gradual progression in intensity can also help cut the risk of joint-related issues. Also, performing pull-ups every day for a month may lead to the development of calluses on your hands. The repeated friction and pressure from gripping the pull-up bar can cause the skin on your palms to thicken as a protective response. These calluses reduce the likelihood of blisters and provide a thicker surface for your hands to withstand the stress of gripping the pull-up bar. While calluses help your hands to adapt, you may have to maintain proper hand care to prevent them from becoming too thick or uncomfortable. Regular moisturizing your hands and using gloves during pull-ups can help manage calluses and keep your hands in good condition. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for you. Take care of your health and stay safe.